Hello, my name is Jens. We are here at Automatica and we are presenting our new software release that we have available with FASTSUITE. You know that arc welding is one of the key applications that we are supporting with our product. And we already have a very comprehensive and interactive functionality to help users creating weld operations very efficiently. The new release comes along with a new feature supporting the fillet weld function, where operators and users can define complete weld operations with just a handful of mouse clicks, indicating the area where to weld, and the software automatically analyzes the workpiece and creates a complete operation, even including the touch sense operations and everything. And as you can see in the background, we are supporting a lot of robot applications, but not only. Laser cutting, including laser cutting on 3D machines, is also a very crucial topic for us. And in this regard, we have some really cool and efficient functions available in the new release that I want to introduce you very briefly. The first thing is we are creating operations and we are supporting the user now with an automatic optimization of the toolpath, removing collisions, removing unreachable situations, smoothing the motions that we have less jerky motions on the machines is one cool feature. And this is done with a new automated functionality. With this new option to execute scripts on the toolpath, we open up a huge amount of options for further optimization. Instead of interactive functionality, we can support users to create processes and tasks automatically. One example is the automatic compensation of the trajectory based on measurement data in order to compensate the deviations between the theoretical CAD model that we are using for programming and the actual part where we have spring-back effects and deviations from the pressing process. Instead of manually modifying the NC program on the machine controller, which always means interruption of the production cycle, etc., we can support a fully automatic offline compensation. That is less interaction for the user. That is a more automatic process. That is a much shorter time to get the part right. And this is the value that we are delivering to our customers. I was already talking about the new functions we have in arc welding, and I was also explaining a little bit the new options and features that we are providing in the laser cutting process. Our new release also comes along with improvements in the area of surface applications. Surface applications have two challenges to deal with. The one is toolpath creation on surfaces, so all the trajectories with the good linking motions, with an automated creation of the technology events, etc., where we already have good functionalities that all of you already know. We now have a new and advanced process model available, for example, to help users not only to simulate the robot motions, but also the process result already in the offline program environment, for example, with an exact painting model that we are providing. And this helps users not only to create the robot program, but also to validate the process quality and the process result already during the offline programming process, which is reducing the touch-up time and the downtime of the robot cell when it comes to commissioning of the robot program. If you want to know more, look at our website, call our team. We would be glad to explain you more details. Thank you.